Hello everyone, we are going to walk through how to use this data analysis spreadsheet for germ collection. So the first thing you're going to want to make sure you do is put the sanitizer that you're using at the top here. So where it says schools hand soap, you're going to want to put whatever sanitizer you're using there. The second thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually write what the surface is that you've collected those germs off of. So let's just say it is, it's an iPad. So we're going to put an iPad in there. Then you're going to go over here and now you've grown the germs in your Petri dish. And we can see here, this is the unsanitized dish. So look there, and we have a growth of 12. So 12 square centimeters is what that germ has grown to. So you're going to put the 12 there, as you see already in the box. And then on the sanitized Petri dish, you're going to take a look at that and see how much that germ growth, how big that germ growth was. So let's say that one was 4 square centimeters. We're going to put a 4 there. And what will happen then is it will calculate the percentage of germs that sanitizer eliminated over here. So you don't have to do anything over in this column. If you look here, anything that needs to be input by you is in the green. So all the green areas here is where you input the information, and the calculation will occur over here in the red area. So good luck and happy germ finding.